Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Sounds tab missing in Windows 10. Right-click speaker icon, click Sounds. Sounds tab missing. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click personalization. Delete no changing sound scheme. Click Yes to delete. Close and exit Registry Editor. Right-click speaker icon, click Sounds. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.